So this is our prediction for the day on our GBPJPY. So if you take a look at the trend right here, this is clearly an uptrend move. It is very much a bullish move, right? You all know before you take a trade, you would want to know the trend of that trade. And we can clearly see that this trend on GBPJPY is an uptrend move. So first, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, and make your comment. So let's see this movement right here. If this is our high on GBPJPY, this is now seen as the higher low. Then here comes the higher high, and this is our higher low. This here comes the higher high, and this is our higher low, right? This is also our higher high, and here comes the higher low right here. So with this moment, we are getting a new higher high. Our market has now given us an higher low. So right here, our next movement on GBPJPY is another higher high. So remember that JPY has been selling for for the past 1 year, years, right? The trend on JPY has been a downtrend. So this is one of the reasons why any pair you are trading against your JPY will be giving that bullish move. So it is not of a surprise that GBP JPY is giving us that super bullish move to the upside. But when we go to your 4 hour time frame, we've seen multiple rejection at this zone here, right here. So market has given us a multiple rejection at this zone right here. So we should be expecting market to push further up. So our next target currently on GBPJPY is a level of 211. Once it taps a level of 211, then we are heading straight to a level of 212. So currently GBPJPY is trading at 210, but we should expect it to give us that bullish move to a level of 211. Then once it taps a level of 211, we are expecting it to tap a level of 211. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I will make sure I let you guys know. In order for you not to miss out on any of these updates, click on that subscribe button and also follow the Telegram. Link to the Telegram will be in the comment section.